Hey guys, hi, welcome to back to the channel, and nice to see some of you new people here. So in this travel series, I'm going to be making a series on Kuwait. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the apartment. So what is that? It is teachers' accommodation. So I'm with a company called EPG in Kuwait, so I'm going to give you an apartment tour. Okay, so first of all, I might have shown you this before, but this is the seating area here, and this is the table where some of these videos will be uploaded. Okay, so here is just a few things I've made. In this cup was actually quite nice ginger latte from the local shop. So basically a sachet is about 0.10 Kuwait dinar. So I think that's maybe about 50p, something like that. But that was quite nice. But yeah, if the packet of that is probably around maybe £5 in obviously GDP, but yeah, it's quite nice anyway. So I'll show you the rest of this. This is some snacks I made earlier on, pasta, there's tissues, my sunglasses, and the bag. So okay, I'll just show you this on this bag. Cool, this is local supermarket. That is quite a cool notebook that the school gave me. It's quite sparkly. Okay, so let's zoom out. Okay, there's a TV, but actually it doesn't really work. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So this is the TV. That I'd say doesn't really work at the moment. Yeah, I think it's been messed a little bit too around, because I tried to turn on the settings. Let me show you. So yeah, the settings don't really work, but. So I got an ironing board, and at the moment I got this whole apartment to myself right now, but that might change. And I'm going to show you the window that looks out here. Right, and if you can see that, that is a view of the street outside. But I'll tell you something, that's actually very noisy at night, because you got the prayers at night and honestly the cars. So yeah, I mean, I'm waking up at like 3 o'clock in the morning, which is terrible. Okay, so let's turn the video around. Right, because at the moment it's about 5 PM, so yeah, still quite sunny. Okay, so we have the front door here. Okay, and I think on the previous clip I'll show you the kitchen here. Right, so I'll take it on the next clip. Okay, so on this one I'm going to show you the video, sorry, not the video, the kitchen, sorry. Okay, so let's work open that. I've got spoons, forks and utensils, but not very many. This is actually a really clean kitchen, because yeah, in the past where I've stayed in other places, it's actually not been very clean, so this was a good surprise. Cool. Quite nice countertop as well, so, and I'll show you, I've got my cupboard. I went to the shop yesterday. Ooh, there we go. And this is nice. There we go. So I'll show you this tea. Oh, I come on, love it. And the pasta, I got too much pasta, that's really bad. Awesome. And I'll show you the inside of the fridge. There we go. So, tomato sauce, there's eggs and fruit juice, because obviously you can't really drink in this place, and that's the washer. Last bit. So alright, that's relatively straightforward to use. Okay, cool.